Something else that played out in Senate today, Isaac Mwaura on Tuesday lost his seat in the Senate after the Speaker, Ken Lusaka, declared it vacant in a Gazette notice. Now, this is despite a High Court order ordering a stay on the same. The legality of the Speaker's actions have been called into question based on this. Olive Burrows reports on the Jubilee Party disciplinary action carried out to the letter.
To ensure that the people of Ruiru have enough representation and enough resources to the county of Kiambu, I vote yes.
Minutes marked the difference between Isaac Mwaura being a bona fide member of the Senate and being able to vote on the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill 2020 and having his seat declared vacant. A Gazette notice dated Monday reading, "The seat held by Honorable Isaac Mwaura Maigwa became vacant with effect from the 7th of May 2021, raising questions as to why the Speaker who declared Mwaura's seat vacant would then permit him to vote on the second reading of the BBI bill. But Speaker Ken Lusaka defended the validity of the vote in this communication from the chair. For clarity, Article 124(3) provides the proceedings of either house are not invalid just because of the presence or participation of any person not entitled to be present at or to participate in the proceedings of the house. But that wasn't the only legal challenge raised. Mwaura had secured court orders staying his removal from the Jubilee Party.
An explanation as to why a valid court order has been disregarded by the political party, by IBC, by Senate. If we allow your communication to stand, Mr. Speaker, sir, we shall be sending a very dangerous precedent in this House, Mr. Speaker, sir.
This is the first time in the history of Kenya when a member of the House has lost office through this process. This is the only area where I concur with courts injuncting Parliament.
As at the time I sat here, I had not seen any court order.
Mwaura was top of the list of 6 senators expelled by the Jubilee Party for disciplinary violations. The other 5, however, successfully challenged their expulsion before the political party's disputes tribunal on grounds that they were not accorded a fair hearing. Mwaura's challenge, on the other hand, which he filed separately, was not successful, prompting the Registrar of Political Parties to comply with the Jubilee Party's instructions to expunge him.
Pleading here with you, I think is lamentation. Not even the President of the Republic of Kenya can do that, by the way. Once he gazettes something under an instrument of the law, it is over.
Neither the government printer, nor the Speaker of this House, nor any person other than the High Court can expunge that Gazette notice.
As to whether the Senate will be bound by any court orders that offer Mwaura reprieve is another matter entirely.
So we can debate here, Mr. Speaker, for the next 1 hour and say a lot of things with very colorful language, quote the law, quote Shakespeare, quote Greeks, quote everybody. But, Mr. Speaker, eventually, it is a matter of application of the law. We need finally to agree as a House. Do court orders matter or not?
Olive Burrows, NTV.
And this is definitely up for discussion on whether the High Court ruling on the very same issue that sought to stay the motion on his suspension, that is of the nominated Senator Mwaura. And partly reading, this is a judgment by Justice Joseph Sergon from the High Court, where in part it says, pending the inter partes hearing and determination of the aforementioned motion, the respondents are hereby restrained by an order of injunction from implementing or further acting on the judgment of the political parties tribunal dated 7th May 2021. And it further says that pending the inter partes hearing of the motion dated 11th May 2021, an order for stay of further implementation of the Gazette notice dated and issued on the 10th of May be the third by the third respondent. Basically, what has happened today is despite this court order in place, and we shall see how this develops tomorrow and in how they will pursue this particular case.